Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. I am your learning developer. Today I will show you how to build one manage account section in Java, and I hope you will be also enjoying this video, also in this project, also like you enjoying all the previous projects of Java. Like you can see previously we have just covered our beginner project series, then we are just moving to intermediate, and now we are starting advanced projects from today. Now this is our first project of advanced. We will be now making a manage account section. Manage account section means like the front page which you are getting of your Gmail, like when you have to go to your privacy or settings, or if you want to change your password, so you will be going to in your manage account section. So like that we have built a front page manage account section, and I'll be showing you how to build and how it is looking. And just before starting this series of advanced, I want to say like thank you for supporting me for previous series of intermediate and beginners. You have just given many of likes on that videos and views, so I'm just really happy about that. And now we are just getting subscriber more and more, and I want to reach 5k subscriber forward on, so we can just cover it up with more than other subscriber also. And just like support me like that in future also, so I can make these videos, and it just give me really motivation to make that videos. Or like I can just make many of projects of React or anything like that. And check my previous courses also, because that are also really helpful for you, like React courses, JavaScript courses. And you can check my previous HTML and CSS courses also, because that is also really helpful. Check my Python data sciences and AI courses, and check my Python full tutorial which I have uploaded, because that is also really helpful. Check my React clones also. These that are some of the big clones, but if you make one time, so it will be helping you in future also. So please check that out. And if you are just a beginner, like a beginner level Java coder, so just first of all check beginner project, then move to intermediate and move to advanced. If you directly move to advanced or intermediate, so it will be really difficulty for you. So my opinion is to check beginner first of all, then move to this advanced or intermediate, because from that your doubt will be just all the clear. If you just directly move to intermediate advanced, your doubt will be not clear, and you will be having many of the troubles coming up in Java. So please first of all learn, then move to projects. So just now we will be starting with our project. So just like I'm telling you, we will be just building our own manage account section in Java. But before starting the project, I want to show you how our manage account is looking, because I'm telling you it is a front page, and I want to show you here. So just simply I'll be opening my Google Chrome by pressing Google Chrome tab button. You can see there it is, our Google manage account section. So you can see we are just getting this logo at the left side. Then we are just getting the search box or Google account. Here we are just getting the support section, and then we are getting Google apps, and here we are also getting the Google mail section. If we are having any photos, it will be just coming, you can say profile photo, it will be just appearing here. If you sign with any of the Gmail, it will be just coming with the alphabet or profile photo which you have put on here. Then we are getting the sidebar thing at the left side. You can see home, personal info, data and privacy, security and all the things. Here in the end we are getting the about also. Then we are just getting welcome in Shalweg is written, you can see here, which is just looking really good. From here you can put your picture, then manage your info. Here it is written in security to make work better. Like if you want to make your Google manage account work better, so you can just put a pic or anything like that. And you can also put a second you can say privacy and more security, so any hacker or anything not come and just hack your account like that. Then you can also see this cyber security awareness is just of a month, because some of the hacker comes and hacks our Gmail, which is just not really good here. Then we are just getting some of the other things also here, like privacy and personalization. Here we are getting security recommendation, account storage, like how many storage you have used in your Google Gmail, right? Photos, it will be appearing here. Then privacy suggestion, like if you want to take any suggestion from your Google manage account, you can take. And then some of other helps you can see, and you can also see some of the other things like Google Contacts, or if you want to check that all, you can press this button to move on, and you can also learn that all. Now simply I'll be opening my VS Code to just building that here. I'll be opening VS Code, so only the front page we have made, not whole of them, so please don't get like we have made whole of that. So here I will be just erasing that all things which we are just getting here. Simply I'll be erasing, okay. Then I will be closing this file. Here I will be closing this file also. Now simply I'll be just making a new file. So press file, press new file. Here I'll be saving this file with the name of JS, because we are just building a Java project, and when we are building a Java project, so we have to write JS at the end, but you can write any of the name at the starting. Like if I write here, we are building in Java, so here I'll be writing advanced dot JS. Okay, so it is a short form of Java, you can write here, and it is a short form of JavaScript also. Here I'll be saving in local disk E, so simply save that by pressing save. You can see we have saved it. Now I'll be zoom in so I can just see my code. Here I will be writing some of the codes which you have to copy also, and you have to learn also when you will be making this project. So just write in class name like help. Here close this. Then you have to move down. Here I will be making a tag which should be like navbar signal equals to. Here you have to change that to class. Close this and then change and write three things again which you have written at the starting, like we have done previously on. Just you have to take care about like these three things will be same, but you have to the main thing is like these three things which I will be writing, it will be just the main things. Then you have to just only copy these things here. And this thing is also really important because when you are writing any of the tags here, so you have to define first of all div tag, like you are defining any of the class name. In that tag, how it will be working, what will be the class name, and in which function you are running this. So these are really important thing. And if you erase that, if you erase this div tag, so your tags will be not working which you are writing here. So here I will be now writing a tag which will be like here run animate equals to. Okay, so right here run animate equals to terminal. Then you have to close this. Here simply I'll be copying these three things like I'm telling you, and right here terminal like we have written. Just close that and move forward, move down again. Here I will be just opening this tag, and here I will be writing analyzer mode. So just write analyzer mode equals to. Here I'll be writing edit. Close this and now copy these three things. So here I'll be writing analyzer dot mode dot edit. Just you have to close this tag. Now when you print that, move down again. Here I'll be writing mode and right here range equals to. Then I'll be writing direction. Close this here. Now right here mode dot range dot direction. Just close that. So when you've done with that all things, so here I will be just moving down. Then I will be writing a tag which will be just like here controller. So just simply you have to write controller aber. Here I will be writing buffer. Then you have to close this. Here I will be writing controller again. So right here controller dot aber dot buffer. Now when you've done that, close this tag here, move forward again. Here I will be just moving down. Then I will be writing selection element. So when you return that element, here I will be moving, then I will be changing that to a tag which should be like help. And when you've done that, close this. Here I will be writing selection dot element. So simply right here, then just change that to help. Here you have to close this tag. Now move forward again, and then I will be moving down. Here I will be writing a tag which should be like advanced animation. So right here equals to performance. So right here performance. Then you have to close this. Then I'll be writing advanced dot animation dot performance. Then I will be closing this tag here. I will be moving forward and moving down. Then change that to a tag which will be right here section storage. Here I'll be writing equals to use. Then close this tag. Here I'll be writing section. So just change that to section dot storage dot use. Close this tag now. Then when you're done with that, here I will be just moving down, making this tag again. Here I will be writing that to a tag which will be like view help equals to. Then right here file. Here you have to do one thing. I will be writing view dot help dot, then I'll be writing file. Here I'll be closing this tag. Now I will be just saving this file from here. And when you're done with that, just if I show you the Google Chrome, so our project should be just ready here. So simply if I open Google Chrome from here, you can see there it is, our project is ready. Here you can see our Google Manage Account project which we want to make is ready. You can see we are just getting the at the left side Google account written, then we are just getting at the like center at the top, we are just getting the search box. Here you can search about your Google account, or you can say manage account, and then you will be getting your support section, and then you will be getting your Google apps which you are working with. Here you will be getting your Gmail icon which you have signed in with. If you are using demo Gmail, so it will be appearing here, and then you will be getting many of the tabs here at the sidebar: personal info, data and privacy, security, people and sharing, paper, payments and subscriptions. Then in the end you will be getting about section. So here you can see at the center we are getting our logo, then there it is written welcome in Shalvik, like my name is written because I've signed in with my mail. And here we are just getting manage your info, privacy and these things. And if I scroll down, you will be getting your security recommendation, privacy and personalization things, and privacy suggestions available. And here it will be also showing you account storage, like I'm telling you at the starting when I was just showing you the demo, like how space you are getting in your Google Drive, Gmail and photos will be appearing here. And then if I scroll down, and you can see there it is also written, you can read that, and you can see there it is written looking for something else. Here means like if you want to search about any other things related to this manage account, so you can just search here, or you can take help, or you can send feedback if you are not having anything, or if you want to ask any question. Then you can also move to this Google contacts also if you want to just search about anything here, like in Google Maps or any other Google services. So like that you can build your own Google Manage account section in Java. So I hope you understand this project, and I hope you also enjoy this project like I enjoyed my previous project. So just you have to understand that and make that by just focus on these words which we are just building, because if you don't do focus and just write the code like that, so you will be not understanding what we are making and what function we are just putting on that. So please do that, and I hope you enjoy this video, and if you enjoy, so please hit a like to this video, and if you are new on the channel, also hit the subscribe button, because it's really motivate me to do more hard work and make more hard videos in future for you. And also share this video with your friends and family members, so they can also learn what programming is, and they can also learn coding and languages like that, so they can also get a future job. So just I'll be meeting you next project. So for today, goodbye.